Welcome to Mrs. English.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Mrs. English Podcast.
Hi, learners! Today's episode is all about training your brain to think and speak in English.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.
So, Paul, a lot of students can read and understand English, but when it's time to speak, they freeze.
Exactly. Their brain tries to translate from their native language into English, and that slows them down.
The secret is to train your brain to think directly in English.
Let's start simple. Step 1, surround yourself with English every day.
Yes, listen to English podcasts like this one, watch movies in English, read signs, menus, and even social media posts.
The more you see and hear English, the faster your brain connects meaning without translation.
Step 2, use mini self-talk practice.
I love this one. Throughout your day, talk to yourself in English.
For example, when you're cooking, say things like, I'm cutting the tomatoes. Now I'm boiling the pasta.
It might sound silly, but it actually rewires your brain.
Step 3, think in simple sentences.
Don't worry about grammar at first. Just try to express thoughts like, it's hot today, or I'm tired.
Over time, your brain gets used to forming English sentences naturally.
Step 4, describe what you see around you.
Like if you're walking outside, say, I see a man with a red hat. Or, the sky looks beautiful today.
This keeps your brain active in English mode.
Step 5, stop translating in your head.
That's a big one. Instead of thinking the word in your language and then finding the English word, just picture it in your mind.
For example, if you think of apple, see the fruit in your head instead of saying the word in your language first.
Step 6, use English for your hobbies.
If you like cooking, follow English recipe videos.
If you love gaming, watch English gaming streams or join English-speaking players.
The key is connect English to what you already enjoy.
And finally, be patient and consistent.
Your brain learns faster than you think, but it needs daily practice.
Don't worry about mistakes. Every mistake means your brain is learning something new.
Let's quickly review today's tips. 1. Surround yourself with English. 2. Talk to yourself. 3. Think in simple sentences. 4. Describe what you see around you. 5. Stop translating. 6. Use English for your hobbies. 7. Be consistent.
And that's how you train your brain to think and speak in English naturally.
Thanks for joining us on Mrs. English Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who want to sound more fluent.
And remember, practice a little every day and English will soon become your second nature.